In Unity, we teach that all people are created with sacred worth. You can't buy it, you can't sell it, you can't even bargain with God about it. Made in the image and likeness of your loving Creator, your very essence is sacred first. To borrow a line from Lady Gaga, baby, you were born this way. Now imagine going through your life, especially when things get a little rocky, with absolute confidence that you are a unique and unrepeatable expression of sacred worth. Doesn't that just make you sit a little taller, stand a little taller? Yes, our LGBTQIA plus family and friends in our spiritual community, there's nothing wrong with you. Yes, there's nothing wrong with you. You are not a sinner. Can I get an amen on that? You were not born a mistake. God doesn't make mistakes with us. You are created in the image and after the likeness of God. Every single one of us is born in the image and after the likeness of God. There was no caveat in there that said except for. All of us. You were born into original blessing, and you know what? After you die, you're going to go into the realm of pure love because there is only love. So you have no fear about that. You're not going to a place called hell. You're going into the realm of pure love. The word homosexual did not appear in the Bible until 1946. Nowhere, not even in Genesis, does it say that the sin of Sodom was homosexuality. The message of the New Testament is love. It's love one another as I have loved you. Love the Lord your God and love your neighbor. Jesus never talked about homosexuality. If it was a big deal, if it was a sin, I'm thinking he would have said something about it. Don't you think? Jesus' message was what? It was love, acceptance, inclusivity. And that's the opportunity we have. The important thing to me is that we start taking a stand for it. We can't be silent. We can't continue to be silent. We can't continue to step back and not say something and do something. You know, we must stand forward and we must stand up. I want to ask you this morning if you will join me in taking a stand, standing with our LGBTQ brothers and sisters. And to all of you, our beautiful brothers and sisters that are here today, that are LGBTQ family, I just want you to look around and I want you to see these people that are here to stand with you, to stand for you, to stand by you, because we love you.